Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can get karma on Reddit. So in order to get karma on Reddit, it's a lengthy process. So what you need to do is, first of all, you should always engage actively. So participating in discussion by leaving thoughtful comments on popular posts. You should be active in your post, that is, you should like, share, and you should vote. Apart from that, you can also share high quality and relevant content in appropriate subreddit, which means that you should post high quality content such as maybe memes, some information, maybe news report, or any other info. You should always follow the rules of subreddit, that is, always adapt to the rules of subreddit to avoid downvotes or bans. You can also upvote posts and comments you like when you encourage others to do that, and others may also do the same for you. So apart from that, you can also maintain a respectful tone in your interactions to foster positive engagement. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.